Okay, so you've probably been wondering, how do I make my mic sound really, really bad? Go to this in the corner left of your screen. Look up Control Panel. Okay, you just put CON and it'll probably pop up. Click on Control Panel. You can click on this or just look up Sound. I will click on Hardware and Sound, then click on Sound. This will pop up. So in here, just don't mess with any of these. Go to Recordings. Right click onto the microphone. Right click on the microphone that you want to use. Go to Properties, and then go to Listen. Not Listen. Levels. If you go to Levels, you can change any of the microphone volumes. So this is super loud. This is halfway. And this, you're probably not going to hear me, but this is really low. So make it all the way up. That's going to make it sound a lot louder and a lot lower quality. Right here is where this is what makes it sound really bad. You're going to go to Advanced, right next to Levels, Advanced, and then you want to change this from whatever yours is to the lowest one. Tape recorder is my lowest. You're going to click on it. You're going to click OK. Yes. So boom. That right there is how you make your mic sound really, really, really bad. And yeah, this is how you make it sound. This is how you make it sound really, really bad. That's how. You go to Properties, you go to Advanced, you make it down all the way down, and you make the levels all the way up.